Welcome to Emma Digital Link. This video explains how to create a 3D logo within 1 minute. The software that I'm going to use is Photoshop CC 2017 and Illustrator. I've prepared the logo already. This is the example of the logo I'm going to create within 1 minute. So I will open my Photoshop. I've already opened it, and I'm going to make use of a logo that I've already prepared in PNG. So I have downloaded the mockup online. I'm going to provide a link for the mockup below on this channel. So this is an example of the logo mockup that I want to make use. You can quickly edit it and then you will delete it and place your own logo there within short minutes. So click on edit content. This is the default sample that you have in the logo. You can, and then I want to bring my own logo inside from my desktop. Let me pick my digital link logo. Okay, I want to drag and drop this EDL logo into the Photoshop. So once I drop it, and then immediately you drop any logo, any PNG picture, that is, it will have no background. Once you drop it there, make sure you save it. That is, press Ctrl S once you save it, and then go to the main page of the mockup that we are using. So once you save, it will show. If you do not save, come to the other tab here. That's where you have the raw file. So I've deleted the default one that was there before, so I dropped my own logo there. So, and then once you are done, I enlarge it. Once you are done, save it again. Or if you don't save, it will not show on the default page. So once you save, you can check on there. So let me type Imant Digital Link. I want to quickly make a simple logo of Imant Digital Link. So let me enlarge the digital link. Okay. So once you are done, I'll press Ctrl S again. You can decide to give it any color, either yellow or white. Save it. Let me give it white. Okay. Once you are done like that, you press Ctrl S, you save it. So, and then you go to the defaults, the main page, so you can see what I've done within few minutes. So once, if you still want to change the color, or you think the color is not okay, you can change it. Let me pick yellow. So let me change it to yellow. Then after changing the color again, I will save it. I've saved it. Then I'll go to the default page. You can see what I've done within a very short minute. So you can just export it and save it as a PNG. You can save it as JPG, but most logo people preferably save it as a PNG rather. So that's it. So once I export it, you will be able to see it on your desktop and then view it with your picture viewer or any application you are using to view your picture. Alright, we are done. So let me check the picture, the logo that I just created. Okay, this is an example of the logo that I did with the free mockup that I downloaded online. This is the one I just did now. So even the one on my desktop, the picture that I use as background, I use this Emma Digital Link and all the GoTV, everything, Glow, MTN. I use the things. So you can subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.